If you are running an e-commerce store, doing dropshipping, or if you're a marketer, agency owner, or a founder, then you already know creating ads is expensive and slow. Agencies like charge $3K to $5K, and finding a good freelancer is also hard. And if you're doing it yourself, then you're jumping between multiple different tools to create your ads. So it can take a really long time to create just one decent TikTok ad. And sometimes you need to create multiple different ad sets. Meanwhile, competitors are testing 50 different creatives. So with this tool, you can just paste your product link or upload images and info, and it will fetch that data, create various kind of cinematic videos, UGC style hooks, static Facebook ads, or like social media content posts. So you don't need design skill, video editing skill, or a production team. That's what MagicFit is promising, and in this video I'm going to show you whether it actually delivers. So MagicFit is built by PushOwl, one of the trusted players in the Shopify ecosystem, known globally for their web push notification and marketing automation softwares. So this tool has various AI models with which you can create these videos and images. For example, they have VEO 3.1, Kling 2.6 Turbo Pro, and Sedance 2, and there are many more other AI models too. So if I name some of their core features: URL to ads, text to video, product placement, background replacement, apparel swap, and they have over 1000+ static ad templates. Alright, now let's jump into the tool and see how it works. So after creating your account, you land here on their homepage. This is where you will find all the things you can do with this tool. First, let's check out this ready-made templates that you can use directly. So they have templates in different niches like fashion, food, beauty, etc. For fashion, you have these avatars showing clothes, purses, and glasses, and like some are videos and some are static images, which I can clone just by hovering my mouse over them. So if I click on clone, let's see. Okay, so all the product data and prompts needed appeared right here in the text box. So I'll show you later in this video how to add your own product and brand kit. But for now, you can see all these example products like hats, sandals, and pants are tagged here. So I can just simply remove them by clicking the cross. And if I click on it, you can see the product. So if you have any audio or video reference that you want the video to look like, you can simply add those here, audio references, like video references, but it should be under 15 seconds. Below, you can change the aspect ratio and the length of the video, the quality of your video, and the AI model that you want to use. Keep in mind, the settings will change the amount of credits needed to generate the video. For this video, it requires 30 credits. Also, there's this prompt setting. Let's open this up. This will rewrite the prompt automatically if you add a new product to fit its style. You can keep it on or off. From here, you can access all of the features: UGC ads, ads maker, generate image, generate videos. Alright, let's add a product now. To add your product, click here on products. Here I can manage my brand kits and create a new product. As I don't have my own product right now, I'll just grab a link from Amazon, and here you can add it manually or just paste your store link, and MagicFit will fetch the details. So I'll just paste this link here. Let's wait a moment. So it took around 3 to 4 minutes, and here's the product URL. The product title and description are right too, and you can change all of this. And let's see the original price. Yeah, so it fetched the details successfully. You can remove pictures from here that are blurry and only keep the best ones for better results. So I can generate this for free. Alright. So this product is added here, and now I can work with this and create ads for it. Also, here's the brand kit. Here you can just change the image, choose your brand colors. It only has 2 fonts here that you can choose from. You can just add and replace any color from here by clicking on any color. You can manually select whatever color you like. I don't know why I'm unable to change the font. Now let's go to avatar. Here in avatar, you can choose from all these given options. If you want to add any of these avatars, just type @ and then the name into your prompt. For example, if I click on Bella here, you will see it says drop @Bella into any prompt to reuse them. Also from here, you can clone voices and add a new avatar. If you want to add your own voice for voice cloning, you just need to add a 10-second to 5-minute audio sample, so MagicFit can train the voice that you can use with any custom avatar. And give it a name, choose a gender, and for the audio sound, you can either record directly here or just upload a file. But to do this cloning, you need 140 credits. And you can also create your own avatar by clicking on avatars, and you can upload a photo if you want the avatar to look like you, or create one from scratch with AI. Here you can describe how you want your AI avatar to look and choose the age, gender, region, skin tone. It has all. Now coming to the templates, you can choose any of this. I don't know why it's not showing all the other templates, but let's create something with this large cityscape. So the product will look like this. From here I can choose the product we just added. You can also upload directly from here. As you can see, here is the product that we added. Just click on it, and I will just quickly add another image so that this only shows the product, not the boxes or anything extra. So I'll just remove all the pictures and add the clean bottle picture only. Then we can select an AI model and an aspect ratio. I'll keep it to 9:16, so you can also give some additional guidelines here. For this one, I'm going to use this prompt that I created with Gemini, and let's see how this turns out. So our image is ready. It took around 5 minutes in my case, and this is how it looks. I mean, it's good. I like it. You can either download it from here, or under more options you can upscale the image and also do some editing. You can add more prompts or change the AI model to get the exact image you're looking for. You can also edit on the canvas manually from here. I'll just crop it a little bit, and then if I upscale it, the quality will be fine. So let's change the filter to Chrome. You can fine tune it by playing with all of the settings. I will increase the clarity, and alright, I'm done. I can also like draw or create shapes from here if you like shapes. So let's try the ads maker. You can create a new ad or just clone a winning ad from their 1000 plus templates. Here at the top you can choose your niche like product showcase, lifestyle, beauty, sale. There's so many niches that you can choose from. For the water bottle, let's find something. Okay, I like this one. Let's try it out. Let's add the product. Here you can change all these details and price. Then click continue. Alright, this is something cool. In target audience, there are different generations you can create your ads for. I'll choose maybe Gen Z, as they will probably buy this kind of bottles. Then you can pick your style. I'll go with minimal. So the number of ads will be 1 because this is just testing. Then I can select a different image model from here, and in the brand kit I can choose the one I made, or just keep it matched to the product. Here you can add some more details for how you want your ads to look. I'll just keep it like this for the test. Let's generate and wait for it. Alright, the image is ready. It took around 2 to 3 minutes in my case. I can also do the same thing with this, like making a video out of it. Let's check the image and see how it came out. I already like it. The colors and the text are minimal. The brand name is visible at the top, and it has some good hook lines, like it mentions the water stays cool for 24 hours. It fetched all this data from Amazon, and it also mentions how much water it can hold. So this is a nice and clean ad. Okay, now moving on to image generation, which you can do directly from the homepage. And here I will attach the product. You can also upload an image of your product directly, and I will also upload the clean picture of the bottle. You can drop a prompt here and describe how you want the image to be, but I'll choose from the photo studio here at the bottom. It has some pretty cool templates. So let's find something for this bottle. Let's pick this one, submerged in water. Then you can choose the aspect ratio, quality, and AI model. For this I will stick to Nano Banana 2, and I don't even have to give a prompt. Let's generate. Okay, so damn, I like this font. This is actually good. It took around 2 or 3 minutes. Like usual. Here you can also upscale it for more options. Now let's try to make a video out of this. So you can just switch to video right now from here. For the first frame, I'm going to choose this underwater image. Below you can choose your aspect ratio, your duration, quality. For the model, you can choose from all these available AI models. I'll choose Kling 3.0. I'm making a short duration video because I have fewer credits left. Alright, let's generate. Alright, the video is ready and let's check it out. I really liked the bubbles and the hand movement especially. You can also extend it, make it longer and prompt it whatever you want the video to be. This video was made with Kling 3.0. Also, I can upscale the video from here. Maybe it'll take some credits. So alright, now let's try this UGC ads. Here we have product showcase, which I'm more interested in, but there is also multi-shot story and UGC testimonials. All this will showcase and talk about the product. You need to attach the product like we created early in this video, or just drop your store link here, and you can also upload the image and describe your product features and other things. So I'll choose the product and continue. In the ad setting, I'll keep the B-roll and caption style as they are. In target audience, maybe general English. It will auto write multiple scripts and you can select whichever you want, and if you don't like them you can write your own below or hit like regenerate so it comes up with different scripts. The scripts are like targeting different angles. There are multiple different angles, ad sets you can use this for. I'll go with the first one. From the avatars you can select any of this. I'll go with Riley. Let's generate. Alright, so the UGC ad is ready. It took a little bit longer than the other ones. So let's see how it came out. Alright, good one. Text effects were good, plus how the avatar is holding the product. Other than this, they have various templates you can choose from and use for your product. From all agents, you can access the other features like the graphic designer. I can choose any of this, but I need to find something that matches the water bottle. Maybe this one here. So select the product, choose the dimension. I'll keep it to square. And then for quality, they have medium and high. And you can add your custom instruction, but it's optional. Let's generate. This is the image it came up with. Not bad, but she's not holding the bottle. So coming to the next feature, product placement. If you want an AI avatar to hold your product, just drop the image over here. Try it with different prompts and AI models to get your perfect shot. I mean, you just have to keep on testing it in different ways. And some other features they have are background replacement, creating engaging post for social media, and creating viral ad copy or web push notification from here. Now, coming to the pricing, let's look at what MagicFit costs. They actually have a free plan which gives you 50 one-time credits just for signing up. And you don't even need a credit card. It's perfect if you just want to test out the output quality, do some static ad creation, or play around with the basic AI video gen features. But if you're running a serious store, you will definitely need more credits. Their first paid plan is called Studio Mini, which is $19 per month. This one gives you 500 credits every month, unlocks text to video, viral video hooks, templates, and lets you turn your image into videos. They say it's ideal for solo entrepreneurs or creators. Then they have their most popular plan. I think this is my favorite one, which is the studio plan for $49 per month. And this gives you 1500 credits per month, and it's built for teams, agencies, or serious sellers. What's cool here is that it unlocks HD videos with audio, and it gives you access to all those high-end AI models we talked about, like the Google VO 3.1, Sora 2, then Kling 2.6 Pro and Nano Banana Pro. So plus you get priority faster rendering, so you don't have to wait around very long, and even like Slack channel access. So if you want to grab one of these plans and start scaling and your ad creatives, I have given the direct link to MagicFit in the description below. So clicking that link really helps out the channel and lets you jump straight into setting up your own brand kit and generating the cinematic video ads.